Bitgert BRISE crypto has actually done a world record here. So they have officially broken a world record that no other crypto has done before. And look, we're just going to hop straight right into this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but let's just talk about this. This is pretty big. Now, the finally long awaited moment is finally here. And they said their electric vehicle has arrived in the UAE and their team is busy getting everything ready for customs clearance. That's huge. So this is the first crypto to have an EV vehicle actually created and going into production. And not only that, they also mentioned here that the countdown to the EV launch event has officially begun. So they're going to have the EV launch event and the countdown has officially begun. That's actually pretty big. Now, it also says over here that they're going to be unveiling this together. So there's going to be a whole countdown event. I don't know where the event's going to be, probably in the UAE somewhere because that's where it just now touched down and that's where they're going to release it first. So this is pretty big and no other crypto has done this. No other crypto has done this. So this is actually pretty exciting. So I don't know. Stay tuned for more updates. Let's see what they do with this. But yeah, it's pretty big. Now, also over here, we see that they're giving people some motivation here, right? So they're just saying, we build in the bear market and we rise in the bull market. And that's actually something that stuck with me when I was looking at this because it says it up here. We build in bear, we rise in bull equals BRISE. So that's actually a pretty good point here because if you think about it, Bitgert was really doing pretty well actually before all of this bear market stuff has happened. And I actually did a little bit of analysis here, and you can actually see that Bitgert was doing very well. For one, you can see Bitgert's market cap was actually at $728 million before the crash in the bear market, right? So the price here, you can see it got all the way up to 5Z184, which is 5 zeros after the decimal point 184. So 5 zeros after the decimal point 184. So 0000184, right? So that's where their all-time high was. So if their all-time high was at 5Z184, and you can also see their circulating supply is at this amount here, which is about 395 trillion. Well, then you can go ahead and take and multiply that by what their highest price was, so their all-time high. So you multiply their circulating supply by their all-time high, which will give you the market cap for which they were at the peak, which was around $728 million. Now, this is very, very important to realize here because that's a very high market cap for one, and for two, if you actually think about it, like they were actually steadily making higher lows and higher highs, so they were on a steady increase during the whole bull market. Look, higher lows from here and then a higher high up here. A higher low because it didn't go below the previous low. And then you can see over here, eventually it got to a higher high. It was a higher low because it didn't go below the previous low. And then from there, we weren't able to reach the higher high, but we still did a higher low, but we couldn't reach the higher high because then the bull market came and pretty much took in full effect. And then from there, everything's been down from there. But during the bull market, Bitgert was actually doing very well. Now, like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy Bitgert. I'm not telling you none of that. Do your own research because obviously that's what you're supposed to do in crypto. But look, I can't tell you what to do or any of that. Me personally, I think this could be a good bet during the bull market, and we're about to enter the bull market, and I'm waiting for a particular moment to start doubling down on crypto. So at the moment, I haven't bought much right now. I actually sold all my Bitcoin a while ago, and I sold all of my crypto a while ago. But now I'm slowly but surely buying back more crypto as I'm seeing the prices are now lower and looking more attractive. So eventually I'm going to get back in on Bitcoin here, but there's a lot of other projects out there as well that are good. So like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think this might be a good bet. So I'm going to probably put this back into my portfolio very soon. So the price has been down for a while, obviously, because it's a bear market. We're at the bottom of the momentum wave band. I'm not going to do a full technical analysis here, but yeah, we are at the bottom of the momentum wave band, which this is pretty much showing that we're about to hit a support area very soon, whether it's going to be this red line down here or whether it's going to be the very bottom of the momentum wave band about 1550, which is going to be that area where we're at, which is 6Z 1550, somewhere around there. And that's probably going to be a good point to get in there or there. So we'll see. But like I said, we're not doing a full technical analysis for this video. Not really needed because it's just about the updates that we have in the news for Bitgert. Now, we also see over here, this is also very, very big. So this is for their weekly report. They have 10K plus downloads now on their official Bitgert exchange. So that's pretty big. When you go to the Google Play Store, you can see they have all those downloads on there. So that's also very, very good as well. And there's also another partnership here with Open Fabric AI. And Open Fabric AI pretty much lets anyone share and monetize AI services at scale. So they've got the whole partnership going on there. But anyways, that's what I got for you all today. I just wanted to go ahead and bring this to you. But yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And as always, I'll be back with another video.